The next keyword access modifiers and access specifiers is the public. Okay, public keyword we can use the public only. Public we can use keyword public. Keyword public. Now the what is the use of the public? We see public access modifiers and public access specifiers accessible anywhere in the anywhere within the package or outside the package, in the class, within the class, outside the class. It can be possible. Public, whenever use the public keyword, we can use variable, method, constructor, anything, method and variable, constructor. Okay, we can use anywhere within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package. We can use the all other member scopes, means anywhere we can use the public. The next one, keyword use the public, class or variable, method and constructor. Example program we want to see, sample.java. One program save like that. The package is the pack is the one package. Pack is the one package. Sampler like hero.java we want to save program. Right? Class name as a now public class hero. In hero we use the public void display method. In display method, one statement is there, system.out.println I. Okay, the one message, one statement used in the this method. Okay, another package I want to take, save the program, s.java. The package is called the mypack package. Okay, this is the this is another, this is a different package. Pack is the another package. The mypack is the different packages. Both are different packages. Okay, import the pack, class A. Now public static void main string args. I want to create the object for sample class. Sample class means this sample class, not sample class. How to create the object means this one. How to create means first class is the hero class. So hero, how to create hero obj1 object1 equal to new hero. An object is created. Which object is created? Obj is object created. How to call the obj object? Obj we call object name dot method name. The display method is, where is the display method? Display method in the here. Okay, what is the statements are in display method? These are the statements. These are the statement in the display method. Only one statement is there. What is the statement here? System.out.println I. We can execute the, what is the messages in the display, this statement only I. What is the displayed? I is the our output. Okay, this is the public use anywhere in the program, class level, method level, constructor level and variable level. Any package we can access. Thank you.